Ayun na nga guys, update. Okay. So, ano ba nangyari sa akin? Thankfully, guys, first of all nga pala, nandito kami sa Mang Felix. Kain kami. Magsa-celebrate kami ng aking asawa. So, I got sagot gulaman and he got calamansi juice. Diba? Ayun. So, update, ano kami, I got my work permit, I got my social security, and I got hired. Yee! Woohoo! Thank you, Lord. So, doon ako nag-apply ako this morning sa Tuscany Hotel. And, thankfully, thank God, na natanggap naman ng inyong lola. So, kaya natin ang mga susunod na kabanata. For now, nandito kami, nagsa-celebrate kami. So, kain lang kami dito. This is a Vietnamese, Filipino, Chinese, Hawaiian cuisine. So, ano to? Pinagsama-sama, ano? So, pakita ko sa inyo later yung food. Kamusta ba ang interview? While waiting for the food, kwentuhan ko kayo. Kamusta ba ang interview? Yung pinuntahan ko is like, job fair siya ng Tuscany Hotel. Then, it's really easy. Bakit easy? Ewan ko ba? Parang mas nakakababaw mag-interview ang mga Filipinos kaysa sa kanila. Napaka-nice nila. Then, ayun, kinabahan ako syempre. Pero syempre, ang dami kasi ng mga tao doon. So, di na rin ako nakabahan kasi a lot of them are not purely nag-i-English. Some of them, a lot of them are speaking like Spanish. So, hindi naman nakakaba dahil kung they can talk English but they got hired. See? So, it's okay. But me, I can, of course, nakakapag-English naman ako. Sabi nila, they can, as fluent naman daw. Pero, I'm not that confident, you know. Then, yun. 1.5 years na ako dito. Yay! I'm so comfortable here. Tapos, I'm planning to, after this application, try na ako mag-aral, mag-drive. Hopefully months, like 3 months. Sana turuan na ako ng isa. So, pag marunong na ako, that's it. Thank you!
Here's the soy chicken.
Thank you! So, ito yung food natin. So, ito na yung food natin. Bangus, bangsilog, and soy chicken. Specialty yata yan ng Mang Felix. Okay. Itong bangsilog, in-order ko na talaga to dati pa. Diba?
What is that?
Cuchillo.
Huh?
There's soy sauce. Try natin yung soy chicken nila. Bago kong matitikman yung soy chicken, yung luto nila parang Max's.
Okay.
Tsaka yung what is that, love? Chicken curry. Try natin. I cooked chicken curry before.
I like this chicken breast.
It's not that tasteful.
No, it's well done, fried, but
And it's so dry. Not that good.
it is fried.
I like it. Hindi ganun kasarap yung chicken nila. Pero masarap yung chicken curry nila. I miss bangsilog.
Diba?
I miss this bangsilog lang.
It's really good.
it, go. Dig on it. Dig in, dig in. As usual, masarap yung bang silog nila. I don't need chili. Sarap.
Good, man.
It's really good. Thank you. Is that your message? Sudo? Your message?
Yeah, I'm messaging the house property manager
Ah.
because the guy that came in, he was a bit combative and passive aggressive, and like you didn't notice it, but I noticed in Golo,
Ah.
like wasted his time. Like it's nothing wrong with the AC.
Oh my gosh, really?
And I'm like, dude, it's not my Nest. I know my Nest is working fine. No, those things are too expensive. You don't need that. Shut up. So I gave him a criticism now. That don't bring him back to my house.
Oh, I see. Kain na kami, guys. You enjoy it, love? What can you say about the food?
It's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
Yun lang. Sarap lang daw. Masarap yung ano kasi nila. Yung bangus nila. Hindi siya malansa. Tapos yung chicken lang talaga nila. Yung soy chicken na yun. Kasi merong chicken na kahit pag pinrito mo, medyo ano siya, juicy pa rin siya. This is not that juicy. Pero yung ano nila, yung chicken curry nilang sarap. Juicy siya. Ito yung chicken curry nila. Ang dami sabaw, kakatawa.